Hey guys, Brandon from RC Flyer here. I said I was not going to do any upgrades to this, and I already did the wheels. And then I'm going to do a bunch of other stuff. Going to change out the servo, all Endura stuff. Servo mount, the drive shafts, the links, the front steering, and most importantly, adding some brass to the front end to keep it down. So let's throw these all on and take her for a spin. Hey guys. Finally finished the Redcat Ascent Apex 18th scale. Said I wasn't going to do anything to it, and just like I say with every build that I want to keep it stock, I never do. So this has a lot of hop-ups. It's got wheels, Endura wheels, Endura tires. These are the Klingons. Endura links. They're all brass. A lot of brass. So we're going to put this on the scale. We'll see how well she's set up, and sooner than later, we'll take this out on the rocks. All right, guys, it's on the scales. We'll look up here. Weight balance is good. 58% on front, 42 in the back. Sorry, it's adjusting a little bit. We're looking at total weight, 739 grams roughly. That's heavy beast. So glad I added a new servo as well to keep up with that. But you can see that it's perfectly 50-50 left to right. That's what you want. So again, we're looking good here, and there it is. So stay tuned for a test run of this, but can't wait to get it out on the trails. And if you like what you see, guys, hit that like and subscribe button. And until the next one, thanks for watching.